Right then, so we're on a new project this week. We're installing a raised artificial grass area which is going to be utilised as a football pitch. So we're just going one sleeper high, and then what I'm just fixing in here is we're having sleeper beds on the front, filled up with soil obviously. So we'll look around. So right, sweet, we're back. The other camera ran out. So yeah, we're just doing this raised sleeper bed here, raised sleeper bed over there, and obviously this is a raised artificial grass area. We're going to move the silver birch. None of them are actually fixed yet. They're all set on a 5-to-1 bed of sand and cement, and then the posts are just we've concreted them in, and we'll fix the posts to the sleepers tomorrow. How do you do your sleepers? We always start by roughly setting them in on a bed of concrete, and then put the posts in, and then fix afterwards once the concrete's all set off. So yeah, we lay it all on a like this, on like a 5-to-1 bed, sand and cement, nice and level, nice and level, nice and level. Need a little snip there. All of this is going to be artificial grass down here, blocked with the Brett beaters. This area in here is going to be porcelain, so all of that will be porcelain. Going up into there, going up into there. Got the sleeper bed going down the side of the fence there. And then a porcelain pathway which will come down here, nip into the garage, come up here, and we're matching in with some the existing porcelain. So yeah, new project, new week. Sun's out, happy days. Not paying on a hire van, happy days. Everything seems to be getting there. How's your week been?